Hello, my name is Imani from Quality Cup Life, and here we believe that it serves the world best when you pour into your cup first. You cannot give what you do not have, so let's pour it up and flow past capacity, alright? So today is another coffee day. I love coffee. It makes me feel all warm and fuzzy, and it tastes really good. So, I love it. Let me know what's in your cup for today. What are you drinking today? So today we are talking about pouring into our wealth/money mindset cup today, and I wanted to talk about something that was very impactful for me, and it took my brain and spin it this way and then that way, and it took a while for it to return back to normal. And that is Peter Voogd's 13 hidden profit maximizers, and it's just his way of explaining how to make your time valuable. And so I took his course on creativelive.com. It's called 6 months to 6 figures. I believe he has a book called that as well. Never heard of him, but I was like, this looks cool, let me buy that. And so a lot of things in that course and what he was explaining really impacted me, but today we're going to talk about that, okay? So here are 13 hidden profit maximizers. Okay, so number 1 is to choose and make a definite decision that you have value, you have worth, and you're way more valuable than you've given yourself credit for. So give yourself some credit. And he also, Peter Voogd, also says 1% doubt and you're out. So whenever you see any kind of doubt, do your best to snuff it out and get rid of it, because your brain unconsciously might choose the easy way out and to choose, that's too hard, let me go get on the internet or chill or whatever, because I can't do that. And that's not what we do here. So 2 is expertise, meaning what you know, what you've mastered, and what you've gotten results in. And you get to this place of expertise by studying your industry, studying the competitors, and figuring out what is it that your target audience wants or your target market wants, and go after those things so you can help those people. 3 is skill, meaning what you do and how well you do it. 4 is productivity, which is what you focus on and how much you actually get it done. And remember, time is money, and once that time is gone, you can't get it back. So be very aware and conscious of the time you're spending and what you're spending it on. 5 kind of goes hand in hand with 4, and it's efficiency, meaning how well you manage your time and how effective and efficient you are with your time. And how I see it is, the end goal should be abundance, whether that's abundance of time after you've been efficient with your time, or an abundance of knowledge that you've gotten, or an abundance of money in your pocket. Whatever it is, the goal for me anyway is abundance. 6 is automation, meaning how well you incorporate and you execute on newer technology, and are you staying up with the times? What are those things that you can automate, meaning can you do an email responder? What can you get a robot on the internet to do that you don't have to do? Basically. 7 is influence, which is how can you impact the people who are helping you get what you need done? Can you communicate with them your vision, your purpose, how it needs to be done, why it needs to be done, who is it helping, how can they be a part of this great service to other people? And it matters how you communicate to those people, and also how you treat it and live as well. Number 8 is celebrity status, and that just means how well does your audience or your target market know you and know what you provide or how you serve them, and what do they think about you, how are you perceived. And it's very important to be authentic no matter what you do, so that way you are the same all day, every day, all the time. Don't nothing change, baby. You see what you see is what you get. type of mentality. Number 9 is vision, and that's what you can see that people can't or don't want to see. And we all know that's important, because we as humans, we are creators, and we make crazy, unbelievable things out of things that we think are basic. So just keep your vision straight and be good. 10 is your personality, or your brand, or the business that you're working for is personality, and how well you connect with people, because people are all about connection, and They want to feel connected to you, your brand, you as a person. And that's how people become loyal. 11 is attitude, and that includes your attitude about yourself and your attitude towards others. And if you get a high esteem of yourself, meaning you value yourself and you value other people, it's great because it increases all the greatness that you see in other people. And you start to see, oh man, this person is great at this, or they have amazing this, that, and that, and they'd be great at that. And you start to notice and celebrate everybody. And if everybody celebrated everybody, man, this world would be freaking awesome. So, attitude, get your attitude together. 12 is awareness, and that's awareness of your strengths and capitalizing on them. And those things that you realize are not your strengths, delegate them or automate them whenever you get the chance, as soon as you get the chance. So that way you can stay in your zone of genius and kick that thing up to the next level. And then 13, the last one is masterminding, and that just means who are you surrounding yourself with, who you're talking to on a regular, who are you listening to in your headphones, in your radio, what are you reading, because all that stuff affects you even if you don't think it does. The music you're listening to, that affects you as well, and that affects your worldview, how you see things, how you view other humans and their value, all that. And so those are the 13 profit maximizers. And so after Peter listed all those things, he said to pick 2. Don't do all 13, 2. He said because if you try to do all 13, it's going to be a mess and you're going to end up falling flat. So just pick 2 that you can focus on, max them out, and then you can start to add the rest of them. Here at Quality Cup Life, we're doing this together. So my 2 I'm choosing to focus on right now is number 1, and that's to choose to value myself and to stop playing small and go big or go home, baby. And then 5, efficiency, and being very intentional about how I manage my time and how effective am I working during my time. I'll update you on how it's going. So keep up with me and keep it up here with us. Comment down below and let me know which ones do you choose to work on right now, and let me know how it's going. Also, go check out Peter Voogd's YouTube channel and check out his 6 months to 6 figures course. It was super impactful on me. It's at creativelive.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day, awesome week. See you later. Bye.